Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the latest and most exciting rumors surrounding the iPhone 16. That's right, we're skipping ahead a few generations to see what Apple may have in store for us in the future. First off, let's talk about the design. It's been said that the iPhone 16 will feature a completely bezel-less display, with the front-facing camera and sensors seamlessly integrated under the screen. This would give the device a sleek, futuristic look that we've never seen before. Next up, let's discuss the camera. Rumor has it that Apple is working on a game-changing camera technology for the iPhone 16. Some reports suggest that it will have the ability to capture 8K video and stunning high-res photos with incredible low-light performance. And finally, let's touch on the performance. According to industry insiders, the iPhone 16 could be powered by a revolutionary new processor that will blow all other smartphones out of the water.